So today we are in Brookhaven. Hooray! This is me right here. So I heard Brookhaven got updates, so we need to check this out. Let's use a vehicle. Oh my god, I can have a witch broom? Sweet. This is awesome. Okay, yeah. So inside there are 2 new houses, private server, all that stuff. I think the private server is people who have Robux, and I don't. So, well, I know a YouTuber that doesn't have Robux. One of the house is pretty sweet. I want to check out this house more though. I mean, like it's a small house, but still, it looks lovely. Just so lovely. Wow, look at this beautiful place. Wait, wait, wait. Try to climb. Climb. This is epic. Oh my gosh, I love this house. Let's get some happy burger. Wait, where is it? Wait, what? Okay, no, we don't go to Happy Burger yet. Just yet. Wow. Oh my gosh, I love this place. Let me spawn. These are all epic, but my favorite car is probably the golf cart. I don't know why. Just love this car. Like every time I play Brookhaven, I use this car. Now, let's park it. Wait, we're gonna need this to drive to Happy Burger, but let's just drive around my backyard. Great. Oh, but oh, that's over. I'll just use a motorbike. Okay, we go. Stepping on a pretty car. Wait, what? Hold on. Uh-oh. But what's that over there? Hold on, guys. We're going to check this out. What the heck? That's awesome. Wow. Starbucks coffee. No. Me want to go to the dentist. Dentist. Scan my teeth. Scan it. Oh, it's daytime. Let's jump through. I want to jump through the window. So, let's see. What could we do? Windows. Yeah. This. This. Wait, I want to go back. I want to wear the panda shirt. Possible lighting? Oh no, I'm kind of scared. There, maybe this book would. Yeah. Oh, I need to get an umbrella. Oh no, that's. Why did I? But I did. Wait, I think my card disappeared. My card disappeared. Wait, what the heck? God, did you just see what happened there? Like my legs and arms disappeared. the umbrella didn't. So this is suspicious. Oh, my bag didn't disappear. Yay! Let's get some happy. If this time be floating. I'm like, no matter what, we need to get happy burger. Oh, it's Brooke Steiner. Nope, this isn't the one I want. I don't care if it's a green light. Turn. Ooh, maybe we could watch a movie while it's raining. Who's pizza? Maybe I'll check upstairs. Is there? Downtown's flooded. Oh no. Okay, yeah. This is not bad. Got some happy burger. There's no water. This is downtown. Need to go, need to go, need to go, 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 go. Wait, this is this. Yeah, I forgot my popcorn. I'm gonna get out my chest. No, my motorbike. Did I shove my? Oh wait, I do need to charge my motorcycle. Barely even battery. So that's bad. But I did not know that the gas station was right next door. Come on, motorbike. Go, go. Wait, guys, I don't remember where I live. I'm gonna end this video right here. I'm gonna make a part 2 later on. See you. Hope you like, sub, and turn on notifications. See you next time. Bye.